Hello guys, today we will discuss about the topic digital marketing, which includes comparison of traditional and digital marketing, statistics of digital marketing, and forms of digital marketing. Next, first we see the what is digital marketing. The promotion of product and services through the electronic medium like internet, which includes SEO, PPC, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, and mobile applications, etc. Next, we see the what is traditional marketing. The promotion of product and services through the TV, telephone, printing, newspapers, broadcast, banner, door-to-door, and sponsorship is called traditional marketing. Next, traditional marketing includes print media, newspapers like magazines, ads, newsletters, brochures, and other printed materials, templates. Second is broadcast media, which includes TV ads and radio ads. Third is direct mail, which includes postcards and catalog. Next, we see the difference between or comparison between traditional marketing and digital marketing. First, meaning of traditional marketing. Traditional marketing refers to the marketing that uses traditional channels or media for the purpose of marketing communication. And digital marketing implies the marketing of product and services via digital channels such as internet, smartphone, display ads, and another digital medium. Next, nature. Traditional marketing is static in nature, and digital marketing is dynamic in nature. Traditional marketing conversion is slow, and digital marketing conversion is comparatively fast. Engagement in traditional marketing is low, and engagement is high in digital marketing. Return on investment means ROI in traditional marketing cannot be measured easily, but in digital marketing can be measured easily. Effectiveness and expensiveness. Traditional marketing is less effective but more expensive, and digital marketing is less expensive but more effective. Next, tracking. Tracking is not possible in traditional marketing, but it is possible in digital marketing. Targeting. In traditional marketing it is standardized, and in digital marketing it is customized. And tweaking means improvement or enhancement. Improvement is not possible once ad is placed, and in digital marketing it can be performed anytime, even after the ad is placed. And next is reach. In traditional marketing its reach is local, and in digital marketing its reach is global. And results in traditional marketing show delay, and in digital marketing it shows quick results or real-time results. Next, what makes digital marketing a powerful tool? In digital marketing, the market is an even playing field. This means that a startup company will have the same opportunity as an established enterprise have, and that is why the company that actually performs well usually wins the race. Next, why traditional marketing? And the reasons why traditional marketing is preferred are: first is easy connectivity, second, save the hard copies, third is high reach, fourth is easy recognizable. First, easy connectivity with the target audience. Advertisements can be placed on the local news dailies and channels of concern and geographical area to the target prospective customers easily. Second is save hard copies. Customers can save the hard copies of the ads placed in the newspaper or magazines which they are interested in, so as to refer them when they wish to buy that product or service. They can also share those copies with their friends, relatives, and who require the product. Third is easy recognizable. People are quite accustomed to the conventional ads as they are being used for a long time, and so they understand and recognize it easily. Fourth is high reach. Traditional marketing channels have a large customer base, and so a single ad can be reach millions of customers of area in just one circulation. Further, people living in those areas where there is no internet access to their lack of net reach through this medium. Next, why digital marketing? The reasons why digital marketing is preferred are under: first, it is a high cost effective. Second, levels the playing field. Third is a connects with the customers via powerful content. Fourth is increased convergence. Fifth is high revenue generation. Sixth is creating brand awareness. Seventh is realize high ROI, means return on investment. First, highly cost effective. Small scale business or startup with a minimum capital investment can find a better budget friendly channel to promote their products and services. Second is levels the playing field. Digital marketing evens the playing field for all. That is, it provides equal and similar opportunities to all the enterprise, be it a multinational corporation or a startup company, to attract the targeted customers. Third is connect with customers via powerful content. On the internet, content is regarded as a king that influence your audience right away if you have the powerful content. Fourth is increased convergence. The rate of incoming traffic converted into the customers often determines the success of digital marketing. And fifth is the high revenue generation. When customer engagement and conversion is higher, it will reap higher profit for our business, and so the business can expand both domestically and internationally. Next, creating brand awareness. Digital marketing helps to the firm in creating the brand awareness among the customers by keeping them updated about the new products, offers and discounts, etc. Next, realize higher ROI. When the company reaps higher revenue at low cost, it will ultimately help in reaping a better return on investment. Next, the forms of traditional marketing. The various forms of traditional marketing are presented. First is the print marketing, then broadcasting, outdoor marketing, one-to-one marketing, direct mail, referral marketing. First, print marketing. It includes newspapers, journals, posters, magazines, pamphlets, etc. that offer daily news, class fields, interest-based periodicals, which earns revenue by way of promotions and local advertisements. Second is broadcasting. It may include television and radio, which provides knowledge of information new along with the entertainment. It is sponsored by advertisements. Third is outdoor marketing. Billboards and hoardings are two ways of home marketing that plays an important role in influencing the customer over the time. Next, one-to-one marketing. It covers telemarketing or SMS marketing, which involves promoting the product or services to the customers via telephone or SMS. Next is direct mail, also called as advertising mail or mail shot. It is the process of delivering the advertising material to the people via postal mail. It includes brochures, postcards, catalogs, flyers, newsletters and sales letters. Next, referral marketing, otherwise known as word of mouth marketing, which depend on the customers to convey the information relating to the products or services. Next, forms of digital marketing. Next, form of digital marketing. Some of the most common digital marketing forms or sales tactics are: First is affiliate marketing, second social media, content writing, content marketing, email marketing, native marketing, SEO, PPC, inbound marketing, online PR, marketing automation. First, let us understand each from it in brief. First is SEO, search engine optimization. To optimize your website in such a way that it ranks on at the top of the spots in the search results, hence the increasing the organic traffic on the website. Next, content marketing, developing and publishing the promoting contents for the targeted group so as to create brand awareness, increase the traffic, generating the leads, etc. Next, inbound marketing, the process of assisting prospective customers in finding your company via social media, branding, content marketing, etc. It involves attracting, converting, closing, and delighting the customers. Next, social media marketing means SMM. It is process of promoting your brand over social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, etc. This helps in creating brand awareness, drawing traffic and generating leads. Next, pay per click means PPC. It is an advertising model generally used to drive traffic to the website, wherein the advertiser pays the publisher a specified sum every single time when the advertiser's company's ad is clicked. You might have seen ads in the search result pages of the Google and Bing. Next, affiliate marketing. It is an practice of promoting other companies' offering on your website and earning a part of the profit for each sales conversion. Next, native advertising, a form of advertising that resembles the type and function of the media upon which the ad appears. They are named so because the customer might not be able to identify that it is an ad, as it would be blend to the ad into the native or non-paid content. Sponsored ads on Facebook or Instagram is a common example such ads. Marketing automation, a software designed to perform marketing functions in an effective manner on various platforms and automate repetitive tasks like emails, etc. Email marketing. Email marketing is a method of communication with customers by sending mails to the targeted audience relating to the discounts, events, and new products, offers, etc., and directing the audience to the company's website. Online PR is stand for online public relations, which involves the public relation activities of the marketers using an available online platform such as social media, blogs, website, etc. Next, example. Suppose there are two friends, Jack and Joe. At the age of 25, the both decided to start show business, while Jack decided to open the shop at the market area. Joe decided to the business online via e-commerce website. Jack used channels like radio, televisions, hoardings, newspapers, etc. to place ads so as to attract more and more customers. Joe hired a digital marketing agency to promote the products over the internet using online platforms like social media, websites, blogs, etc. After some days, Jack succeeded in gaining thousands of customers. However, the cost of placing the ads was also quite high, and the reach was also limited to the concentrated geographical area. On the other hand, the Joe also succeeded in the trapping customers globally at low cost. So the marketing pursued by Jack is traditional marketing, where the Joe pursue the digital marketing. Next, some statistics of digital marketing. First is SEO statistics. First, better content can drive traffic to a blog by up to the 2000%. Second, as for May of 2020, Google was responsible for 67% of all smartphone search traffic and 94% of all organic traffic. Third is enterprise and mid-sized companies rely means depend more on technical SEO and content development to increase and maintain search presence. Fourth, the world has 7.7 billion people, and out of them 4.4 billion people use the on Facebook, or 1 in every 6 minutes a person will spend online. Second, the 2 billion people YouTube users watch about 5 billion videos on every single day. As of January 2020, the 93% of the most watched videos were music videos. Of the 2.6 billion total accounts on Facebook, 3 billion profiles are fakes. Next, mobile marketing statistics. Marketers and advertisers are putting 30.5% of their budget into mobile ads. Digital marketing software is projected to a total more than 43.8 billion in 2019, with the expected revenue at 65.9 billion for mobile ads alone. Next, 89% of people on smartphones are using the apps, while only 11% are using the standard websites. Unsurprisingly, Facebook is the most popular app at 90% measured by time spent. And in this figure shows that the selected companies ranked by total digital advertisement revenue from 2012 to the 2020 in billion US dollars. Next, based on this stat, it's estimated that the people will spend a collective 3.8 trillion hours using the mobile internet this year, rising to 4.5 trillion hours in 2021. There has been an increase in smartphone app users from an age of 45 and above. Location-specific ad campaigns are 20 times more effective than the traditional banners. And in this figure shows that the daily time spent on social networking is day by day increases from 2012 to 2019. And overall conclusion of this presentation is, to wrap up the discussion, we can say the digital marketing has evolved in recent years, but it become more popular than the traditional marketing due to its various advantages, one of which is effectiveness over expensiveness. However, the smart organizations use both of them to develop the strong relationships between the prospects, leads and customers. Thank you.